Hey, what's up, guys? So I'm recording this right now from my Chromebook because I need to power off my Moto X4. Today is that day, and you guys probably seen a lot of unboxings, and that's okay. I got one here today that I gotta open up. Let's see. Phone turned off. All right, so let's kind of just get in here and just kind of cut the tape. Really weird packaging here. And alright, so we got that pretty much out the way. Hi there. Get Google Fi working.
Sorry, I don't understand.
I wasn't asking you a question, Google. Confirm carrier and all that other stuff. So a little card in here, followed by this. Alright, so take that off. And as you guys can see, I decided to go with the Pixel 3. And reason why is I was going to get the original Pixel, and my brother got one, and it didn't turn out so well for him, and so because of that, I decided just to go ahead and get the Pixel 3. Got the white variant here. So there it is. Nice size. I didn't go with the 3XL. This actually, wow. Very nice, very nice, very nice. So white variant supports wireless charging and IP68 water resistance. So you guys probably seen a ton of these. Kind of open it up. We got SIM ejector tool and some booklets and stuff like that. I believe these are the wired Pixel buds. So we have that. Pretty nice. Gives you a little step-by-step how to set that up. Type C to Type C. We also have the 3.5 millimeter to Type C adapter. We also have a Type C to regular USB. And then we have the charging brick. Voila. So that's all things that comes in the box here. We'll put everything back in, well, except for like the charging and stuff like that, but all the booklets and whatnot, put that in, keep the cable, and oh, I dropped the headphone jack. Keep all the other stuff down and close up the box. So I am going to set this up right now, so just give me a moment here. And already, feels nice, so I really can't complain. I like that screen, so it's kind of block the light here. Yeah, fits very comfortably in my hand, so I am really stoked about that. And looks like you can put a SIM card in there, but let me just go through the walkthrough here. Start SIM-free setup instead for Project Fi and other carriers. And connect my Wi-Fi to it. I'm pretty stoked. And so this is the first actual Google device that I get to own, so it's pretty awesome for me, and I wanted to share that with you guys. I'm set into my Wi-Fi here. And yeah, I'm gonna do some reviews too. Also, while I'm doing this, I wanted to ask you guys something, because for a long time, I've been guilty of this thing of kind of almost treating this like a religious belief. And so somebody actually gave me some advice and gave me a very good point of view. And so I wanted to know what your guys' thoughts are, because I know a lot of my colleagues, my friends, have used an iPhone. I've never used an iPhone, and so I may possibly be considering actually picking one up and using it with my data-only SIM, just to kind of get the comparison between Google's own flagship, the Pixel, and an iPhone. But I want to know what you guys think. So you definitely let me know. And let me go back here. It wants me to. We're not gonna copy anything from my old phone. You guys let me know in the comment section. Do you guys think that I should give it a shot? Maybe pick up like an iPhone 6s or something like that. Do let me know. I really would like to know. So anyways, I'll be back once I have this all set up, and then I'll tell you guys initially what I think. So it's done, basically set up. My Google Fi accounts have been switched over to my Pixel 3, and I'm going to play around with it, but so far, you know, I'll be honest, I just came from the Moto X4, which has the 9.0 update, so a lot of the things I'm familiar with already. Is nothing that's going to be like really overly exciting, but the fact that it is a Pixel 3 and the fact that it will get updates going beyond, so Q and going forward, is a good thing. It is quite snappy. I do have to give that. Very snappy. Even though it's not spec'd much differently from the Pixel 2, but I definitely love that smoothness going through the Google feed here. I'm going to play around more with it. You guys know me. I'm going to continue on messing around with it, and then I'll have like a final review of my thoughts, even though this is not a brand new device, but it is new to me, so we'll say that. I'm finished getting a lot of the apps updated on here, as well as getting a lot of my personal apps that I use installed. It's charging right now. Getting it charged to 100%, go out throughout the day and mess around with it, kind of see how the battery lasts. I do have a lamp that has wireless charging, so I'm also going to test that too to see. But I do intend on getting a Pixel stand for it. And I'll have another unboxing of a Pixel 3 later on down the road. I'm waiting on an order for the not pink version, and so I will unbox that for you guys. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed what I had to say in this video, drop a like if you guys did. If you guys own the Pixel 3, you guys have any advice for me that you guys want me to, take a look at or just know about, please do so in the comment section of the video. I'm more than happy to read your guys' opinions on it and thoughts. And yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to pick up a case for it and get some other stuff. But anyways, guys, thanks for checking out my video on the Pixel 3. Yeah, I'll talk to y'all later. Aloha.